Up, savages? Y'all are on a scooter right now? You can get some scooter clips. See? Wait. Oh. Y'all on the scooter handlebars. So let me try to do a what's it called? A tail whip. Hey, I landed it! Let's go. Let me go get some tape so I can make my phone stay on here. I wish I had a mount for it. Yeah, my phone was gonna fall. See guys, that's the mount. It's my tripod. So, my last video, I accidentally ended it. So, yeah, that's kind of sucked. At least I landed my first tail whip. Let me get this off. So guys, my aunt has a trampoline at her house, so I'm gonna try to get some clips when I go over to her house. I'm gonna vlog like a lot of videos today, like about 6 or 7, cause I'm like in love with vlogging. Cause vlogging is life, bro. Y'all are my life. Y'all are my daily life. And I love y'all guys so much. Make sure to smash that like button. Let's try to get 12 likes since I'm just an up and coming YouTuber. Try to get some scoop clips. Like Tanner Fox. Did you, I want to ask y'all something. Did y'all know Tanner Fox is one of the highest growing scooter riding YouTube channel? Lots of people only like Tanner Fox for his vlogs. Lots of people only like Tanner Fox for his scooter riding. But I like it for both, bro. Oh, that was my ankle. Try to get this. Let's try this. Oh wait, the handlebars are coming off. Hey. They're hard to take off too. I kind of like it without the handlebars. Okay. Let's go. I'm going at it all wrong, I bet. Tell me in the comment section down below what I'm doing wrong. Oh man. Starting to sprinkle. Oh, that hurt my heel. We'll try to do a no footer. Ah! The board's slippery. I just did it. So. over it. Ow. Let's try this. What was that? Another worm. Oh, almost had it. Let's try to do the basics. Okay. Holy crap. Gah. Savages. If y'all have seen my last vlog, it has some kind of trippy effects, like you're high on something, bro. It looks so funny, like a disco thing. Hey, Rocco. Hey, Rocco. Okay, guys. It started to rain. So, woo. It's hot. So, my room is finally clean. And guys, I want to thank y'all so much for this love and support. I love y'all so much. I want y'all to support me again. Make sure, I want to get 12 likes on this video. 12 million, I'm just missing. 12 likes on this video. So, thank y'all. Y'all are awesome. Peace, love, and happiness from the Dudesons. Quotes of life. Goodbye, guys. You ready to do this tornado transition? 1, 2, 3.